Hey, my name is Connor. I don't have very many hobbies except for really doing this. Playing Valorant. I'm also a Twitch streamer. That's mainly it. Also, my friend does YouTube, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, right now I'm in Florida, just kind of chill. Oh my god. Just kind of chilling, not really doing much. Yeah, that's really it. I hope this gets put up on the channel. Probably not, but I'll keep the hopes up just in case it does. Balisong flipping. I love watching your videos. I've been watching you for a very long time now, and I really hope that you see this. And yeah, I hope you have. Let me nail this really quick. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.